up, and it looks three-dimensional, right? And this is, I got into art to kind of understand the phenomena, and that's where I began to learn like certain areas of geometry. Like there's something called vanishing point. Vanishing point is the point. There's a point at the horizon. It's like a V, expanding V, where the two receding lines of the V diminishes. And this is like a geometric reference point for illustrating, let's say, a commercialized area, a city. And this is what gives you the reference. And it has to do with diagonal and horizontal lines. Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas. There's a lot of diagonal lines. That's from a geometric standpoint. That's like the geometric architecture of art formation. There's these diagonal lines and these, it's fascinating. And you have these, because we have up, down, left, right, front, back on the three-dimensional plane. But on a two-dimensional surface, we don't have up, down. We have front, back, left, right. So that up, down is replaced with diagonal lines, perpendicular angles. Everything is sort of slant. It's a fascinating.